maths class, and today we'll do understanding quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals, as we read, quadrilaterals is a polygon made up of 4 line segments. Closed curve होता है जो कि 4 line segments से बना होता है, that is known as quadrilateral. So the concept we are going to cover in this chapter is polygon and their types and different types of quadrilaterals. First, understanding quadrilaterals. What is polygon? A simple closed figure having 3 or more line segment, that is called polygon. Polygon are of different type depending upon the line segment they have. कितने line segment है? Like triangle. Triangle, 3-sided polygon, that is called triangle. It is denoted by, this is the sign of triangle. There are 6 elements in the triangle, namely 3 sides and 3 angles. The sum of 3 interior angles of triangle, that is 180 degree. Quadrilateral, 4-sided polygon, that is called quadrilateral. Pentagon, 5-sided polygon को हम क्या कहेंगे? Pentagon. Hexagon, 6-sided polygon is called hexagon. A word polygon is the combination of 2 Greek words. Poly means many and gon means angle, means many angle. Heptagon, 7-sided polygons is called heptagon. Octagon, 8-sided polygon is called octagon. Next, regular and irregular polygon. When all sides and each angle of the polygon are equal, that is called regular polygon. अगर equal नहीं है, that is called irregular polygon. Next is convex and concave polygon. First we'll take convex polygon. A quadrilateral in which the measure of each interior angle is less than 180 degree. जितने भी interior angle होंगे, उनका measure 180 degree से कम होगा. That is called convex quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral, a quadrilateral in which the measure of one interior angle is more than 180 degree. That is called concave quadrilateral. Next is angles and property of quadrilateral. The sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, 4 right angles. Exterior and interior angle of polygon. The sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Exterior angle का जो sum होगा 360 degree. The sum of interior angle of polygon, that is n minus 2 into 180. n यहाँ पे number of sides है. Each interior angle of regular polygon n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Number of diagonals a polygon have, that is equals to n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2. Next is evolution time 11.1. If the measure of 2 angle of the triangle is 78 and 57 degree, find the measure of third angle. So according to angle sum property, the sum of 3 interior angle, that is 180 degree. The third angle, let the third angle be x. So 78 plus 57 plus x, that should be equal to 180. So x equals to हो जाएगा 180 minus 5 135 subtract कर देंगे 45 degree. So third angle का जो measure हो जाएगा, that is 45 degree. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is quadrilaterals. A 4-sided polygon, that is called quadrilateral, or the closed figure have the boundary of 4 line segment is called the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral have 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral, that is called the diagonals. Or next we'll take adjacent sides. 2 sides of the quadrilateral which have the common vertex. 2 sides जिनका vertex common होगा वो adjacent side कहलाएंगी. Opposite sides. 2 sides of quadrilateral which do not have the common vertex, they are called opposite sides. Adjacent angles. 2 angles of the quadrilateral having the common side, वो क्या होंगे? Adjacent angle. Opposite angles. 2 angles of the quadrilateral which are not adjacent, जो adjacent नहीं है वो क्या होंगे? Opposite होंगे. Next is various type of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are different type based on their sides and angle. First हम लेते हैं parallelogram. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel are called parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. इसमें opposite side जो होंगी equal भी होंगी और parallel भी होंगी. Opposite angle equal होंगे and diagonal bisect each other at one point. Clear? Next is rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. That is called rectangle. A rectangle has opposite sides equal and parallel. Opposite sides equal भी होंगी and parallel भी होंगी. Each adjacent angle is right angle. Length of both diagonals are equal and diagonal bisect each other. Clear? That is rectangle. Next, square. Square is a quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal. Each angle of right angle, that is called square. Square has all four sides equal. Opposite sides parallel होंगी. Each angle is equal to 90 degree. Length of diagonal is equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Next is rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which four sides are equal. Is called the rhombus. Rhombus has all four sides equal. Opposite sides parallel होंगे and opposite angle जो होंगे equal होंगे. Diagonal bisect करेंगे कहाँ पे? Right angle पे. जहाँ पे bisect करेंगे वहाँ पे right angle होगा. Next is trapezium. A quadrilateral in which one pair of the opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides means ये और ये जो होंगी ये parallel होंगी. Clear? And its non-parallel sides are equal as isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium होगा तो non-parallel sides ये और ये जो होंगी वो equal होंगी. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Non-parallel sides are equal. Length of the both diagonals are equal. So हमने देखा ट्रेपेजियम में वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होती है, बट आइसोसेलेस ट्रेपेजियम में क्या होगा? द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन विच वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड पैरेलल होंगी एंड जो नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स होंगी वो इक्वल होंगी. क्लियर? लेंथ ऑफ बोथ डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल. नेक्स्ट इज काइट. द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन विच द पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल, दे आर कॉल्ड काइट. अ काइट हैज टू पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल एंड डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल. द सम ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम rectangle, square and rhombus is 180 degree. Next, evolution time 11.2. If one of the angle of the parallelogram is 75 degree, find the measure of other angle. So, in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, we know. Suppose this angle is of 75 degree A, then C is also equal, so C is also 75 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So, B क्या हो जाएगा? Angle B equals to 180 minus 75. degree. Clear? So, angle A and C will be 75 degree and B and D opposite angle है तो वो equal हो जाएंगे, that is 105 degree. So, angle D क्या हो जाएगा? 105 degree. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is look back. Figure which have the different initial and end point, they are called open figure. Figure which have initial and end point are same are called closed figure. The sum of four angles of quadrilateral 360 degree, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the triangle to its opposite side, that is called altitude. The line segment joining the vertex of the midpoint to the side opposite to vertex is called the median of triangle. All sides of an equilateral triangles are equal. Any two sides of isosceles triangle are equal. All sides of the scalene triangles are different. The sum of all three sides of triangle is 180 degree. The angles of an acute angle triangles are acute, less than 90 degree. One angle is a right angle triangle is of 90 degree. One angle or is an obtuse angle triangle is obtuse, means more than 90 degree. All angles of an equilateral triangles are equal. The quadrilateral have four sides, four angles and two diagonals. Measure of all interior angle of convex quadrilateral is less than 180 degree, but concave का क्या होगा? One angle is more than 180 degree. Next is, let's recall. So you have to practice all the questions given here. ये सारे questions आप practice करेंगे. Next is mental zone. A five-sided polygon is called pentagon. Next, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. The six-sided polygon is called six क्या कहलाएगा? Hexagon. So B is the correct answer here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया and I will do practice it.